Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome with a new video. So this is the part 2 of my self-given analysis of the NIACL Assistant Mains. So yesterday I have discussed the questions which are appeared in the NIACL Assistant Mains examination. So today I have taken like quants, reasoning and English section. So let's get started. So in quant section, actually the sequence was following like English, reasoning, and then it was followed by quants, but I have taken the quant first. So there was one double pie chart DI where they had given the total percentage of the male and female and a percentage of male. So this is of out of the total 500 and this is of 200. Actually, these questions were easy, but last two questions I felt like quite difficult because they were lengthy. So there were 6 to 7 questions, and there are simplifications questions. I think they were easy. Then there was quadratic equation. They are like okay easy and like pivot level. Okay, so 5 questions. They are all doable. So please to comment. So here I got two. Like x is equal to y or cannot be determined as answer. So remaining were like less than or equal to less than. So like this I got. And regarding the arithmetic questions, there was one cuboid. So there they had given the volume of the cuboid, and also they had given the ratio between the length and the breadth of the cuboid, and also they have directly given the height of that cuboid, that is 7 centimeter. So from that we have to calculate I think surface area of the cuboid. So I got 738 centimeter square. So please to comment whether this is right or wrong. Then one was like A and B, so both filled the tank in 3 hours, and A is an inlet pipe and B is an outlet pipe. So they both filled for some hours, I guess. So the remaining part will be filled by A in some hours I had given. So currently I am not able to recall what was the actual data there. This one I tried, but I don't know, I didn't got the answer which was in the options. So please to comment what was the answer for this. And next was one bar graph. It was regarding the defective or not defective. I don't know, it was whether bulbs or something like that. I didn't solve this TI, so I saw this TI because I felt like it will be calculative, because I came here after I'm left with few minutes only. So I thought instead of solving this entire DI, so let's try from arithmetic question. So this was like one age based question. The ratio of father and son, I don't know whether it was like A and B or father to son. So they had given it as a 3 is to 5, and it was before 4 years, and after 3 years the ratio will become 8 is to 9, and we have to find the age of the father after 4 years. I guess I have got 34 years for as answer, and I'm not sure about the data I have taken here. I mean, I don't know whether it was a 3 is to 5, or this is before 4 years or after 6 years, like that, but the pattern was exactly same and it was very easy. So I got the answer. I guess I got 34 as answer. So please to comment what was the answers you all got. Then one question was like an article is sent at a profit of 60 and the selling price is 260. So after giving X percentage a discount, this is the selling price of that article. And they asked what was the, I don't know whether it is SP or MP. So when it is given at 50 minus X percentage discount. So please to comment what was the answer for this. And there was one mixture allocation question. So it was easy actually, but I marked it for review, like I'll solve it later. So I didn't solve this also. So there was like X liter mixture was there. So they had given the ratio of milk and water. So later some quantity of the mixture is taken out and it will be left with some ratio, I think. So if any of you have solved this question, please to comment what was the answer for this. And in this section I only attempted 21 questions out of 40. And there was one DI. So they had given the savings and current account. In the savings and current account, actually I felt this DI was easy because I mean I was solving it actually, but I have written like in place of savings I have written the current account, and in place of current account I have written savings account. So that's why I tried twice this DI. So my time also wasted here. So and one question was like I was getting like D is equal to 26 and 29, means savings and current account. So from that they have said that 60 percentage account closed, yeah, opened something. So later they asked like what was the number of females whose account is opened, so like that it was there. So actually there have to get a 3 as answer. I mean I got a 26 I guess as answer, so I have to subtract it from 29. It was not there. I don't know where I have made a mistake while considering the data. So please do let me know what was the answer for that if you have solved that DI. And this section was also easy, and but I was not able to attend more question in this section. And there are some data sufficiency questions were also there, I think 3 to 4 questions, but I didn't solve them because every time I solve those data sufficiency problems I end up marking the wrong answers only. So that's why I don't wanted to take risk, so I didn't attempt it that. Next we'll go to the reasoning section. So there was a designation based puzzle. So this is the sequence which I got: A F C B D E G, and this is Saturday, Friday, Sunday, Monday, Thursday, Wednesday and Tuesday. So it was also doable. So this comprised of 5 questions. So next was linear arrangement. So I think there were eight people. Some were facing north and some were facing south, and the number of people who are facing north was greater than number of people who are facing south. So this is the arrangement I got. So B G D A F H C E, and like in the question they have mentioned like conditions in the people who sit at the ends will face the same direction, and FH are adjacent to each other. So like that the condition was there. And one was some miscellaneous questions. I got this as answer, so please let me know whether it was right or wrong. And one was another miscellaneous question like 7915458826. So here in the even places we have to add it by 2, and in the odd places I think we have to subtract it by -1. So and after that they asked the number which got repeated. We have to find those numbers, means we have to identify how many numbers are repeated in this section. I guess none was repeated here. I don't know what I marked here, so currently I don't remember them. Next question. 3 questions were from Silox only, like only 1 and 3 follows, only 3 follows and remaining 1 and 2 follows. Okay, and inequality questions were there. So it is I think 2 questions. One was definitely true and one was definitely not true. So I don't know how to solve the like questions like definitely false. So please do let me know or suggest me any source or the YouTube channel where I can clearly get an idea like how to solve the inequality in definitely false case, because I have searched so many YouTube channels, but for me till now I didn't find any YouTube channel where I understood that concept. So please do let me know. Then circular arrangement. So some people were facing outside and some people were facing inside. I'm not sure about the direction facing, but they comprised of 7 members. So this is the puzzle actually where I tried so many times. I think I have taken 4 possibilities and I tried 2 to 3 times, but still I didn't get the answer for this. So my most of my time got wasted here. So I didn't solve these questions. So please do let me know what was the answer for this. And one was like blood relation question. So it was tricky actually. This also I tried it 3 times, but I didn't get the answer. Then there were 2 to 3 data sufficiency questions were also there. And this is one miscellaneous question like from like it is like we have to arrange those like 1 2 3 it was given, so those letters in the alphabetical order. So then after we have to divide it like 1 2 3 in column wise. So then they had said, "So which of the following which doesn't give the meaningful word?" So one was I was getting as gift, and one was cane, and remaining two I don't remember now, but one was like NERG. So this is the question I like, this is the answer which I marked like it is not a meaningful word. So please do let me know whether it is right or wrong. And one was like input output question, so I marked it for review, so later I didn't get a time to review also. So in this reasoning section I attempted only 21 questions out of 40. I would have attempted more questions, but like I already told you, like I got stuck here. So and blood relation also, so I was not able to mark the answers also. And next English section. So here I don't know, currently I am unable to recall the answers and questions asked in the exam, but I try to recall at least some questions. Okay, so one was like in RC, they had given the show, so we have to write the synonym for that. So the correct word which suited was demonstrate. Then I marked as aim. I don't know whether it is from RC or fill or something, but I remember now I marked as aim. Then so the passage was like, I mean, this is not the exact statement which was given as options, but I tried to write the context like which is similar to that. Company person, he tried to focus on giving the skill training and support them by support or encouraging them by giving like good wages, because he believed in hard work. So like that it was there. And one was like we have to find which of the following is true, I think. So their quality is more important than quantity. And the next was like, which of the following products was not sold by the company X? So they had given the options like pepper, cherry tomatoes, potatoes, and some other options were also there. I don't know, in the passage I got to know, like I came across this cherry tomatoes and some kind of tomatoes also, but I don't remember the other products which were sold by that company. So please let me know if you remember those questions. Then one I marked was expounding on. This is the option I marked. I don't know what was the answer for this. Okay, then one option I was getting like greenhouse gas emissions, like it was something related to that, like squeeze the products before it got ripe. So there I marked only B as answer. So I apologize because I can't remember the questions exactly, but just I tried to write the sentences which I remember now. So if you know, please to let me know in the comment section. Like I have to identify the incorrect sentence there. So this also I can't remember them, but something was related to like 1%, like yield was reducing something, I don't remember them. So I just remember 1% and this 200% there. Okay, next there was error detection questions. So it was not like we have to detect the word which is misspelled or grammatically incorrect. So just it is the sentence, we have to identify the correct sentence or the incorrect sentence. So I think it was of 4 questions. Parajumble, so there we have to arrange the sentence. It was very easy, so there were 4 questions. Then there were 3 word swap, I don't remember them, but 3 questions were there. And fillers and close test, actually I tried really hard to remember the options which I marked, but I couldn't recall it. So please let me know if any of you can remember these questions. And one was like not permitted to, like the question was starting with like the bus was not allowed to enter to some place because of the crowd. So it was like that. So there I marked not permitted to. And the options were like it was not allowed to enter into or entry into, it was there, but I felt this is the correct one which suits best. And I don't know about the accuracy in this section, but I think I attempted 35, yeah, 36 questions in this section out of 40. Okay, so overall in English section I think I attempted 35 or 36 questions, and reasoning 21, quants 21, and computer I already told you in my previous video like 35 questions. So here also I am not sure, because I marked some, maybe I made some mistakes. So that's it. So these are the questions which I attempted in each section, and the GK questions I attempted only few questions, so I try to make video later if I remember the questions. So thanks for watching. Please to subscribe for more videos and update like this, and follow Bankingspark. And also please do comment in the comment section if you remember any of the questions or any of the answers you remember, so that will be helpful for me to relate. Okay, so thanks for watching.